Hey everyone, this is Rajendran here. Now in this video we're going to learn about how to get a streaming real-time market data using OpenAlgo using a feature called Common WebSocket. Now right now this feature is available only with Angel and Zerodha. We done as a pilot and we are rolling out for all the other OpenAlgo supported brokers as well. So very soon you'll be seeing all the streaming real-time codes will be supporting all the brokers who are integrated with OpenAlgo. So let me go and show you the demo of it. And before that, I would like to show the documentation part. So if you go to docs.openalgo.in, you can find the documentation under V1 and under WebSockets. So under the WebSocket, you're going to get the complete instruction about it. What are the three different modes which are supported? So we have like three different modes. LTP mode, where you will get last traded price in real time. And quote mode, you'll be getting the open, high, low, close, LTP, volume, and all those other stuff. Depth currently supports top 5 order book data, which is nothing but level 2 quotes, which most of the brokers supports. There are certain brokers, they support level 3 and TPT data feeds also. For example, Dhan, Fyers, and Upstox, they are also supporting higher depths. So we will also ensure that we'll also integrate those high-end depth as well. And you can also see the sample data format, how the sample format for LTP looks like, how the code format looks like, and how the depth format looks like, right? So let me go and start the application over here. So here is OpenAlgo. I'll get into OpenAlgo and then I'm going to run OpenAlgo here using the UV method, UV run app.py. That's going to start the OpenAlgo. It's going to run at port 5000. I'm going to click on the port 5000. I already logged in. So let me click on login. It automatically logs into my account. So I'll go and get my API key first of all. Now this API key is what I'm going to key in into my, under the strategy section, I have 3 example codes I had provided. LTP. So LTP will get the LTP data. I'm going to enter the API key here. I'm also going to enter the codes as well. In the codes also, I'm going to set the API keys. And in the depth also, I'm going to set the API keys. Now, in every code, you can find that you'll be finding 3 important symbols, NIFTY 50, INFY, and TCS from NSE. That's what we're going to stream it real time. So what I'm going to do is like, I'll increase the terminal space. I'll also increase the width as well. I'm going to open a new terminal, right? And here I'll go and say I'll get into the OpenAlgo folder. From here I'll go to the strategy folder. So now I'm inside the strategy folder. I'm going to run the LTP code example. So I'm going to use the UV again, UV run LTP, and then give a tab. So automatically it recognizes the LTP example. I'm going to type enter. So now you can see that it authenticates and you are getting the streaming real-time codes for NIFTY 50, INFY, and TCS. I'm also going to duplicate the screen and then I'm going to say like UV run, let's run the codes over here. So codes example, I'm going to run it. So code is running over here. And along with that, I'm also going to run the depth as well. So UV run depth.py, depth underscore example.py. So that will be getting the top 5 bidden ask codes as well. As you can see that the things are streaming in real time. You're getting the data in real time. So the operation is pretty much seamless. We also tested for longer hours as well. It turns out to be, it is working pretty good. And yeah, so going forward, right now we are working on integrating with brokers like Dhan. Right now we are working on, and immediately we'll be releasing it for Fyers, Upstox, and also for another broker, Alice Blue we are working on right now, and we're also parallelly working on FlatTrade as well. So these are the immediate brokers that we are working on. So hopefully another 15 to 20 days. That's the deadline that we had kept for ourselves. So very soon you can see all those brokers will be onboarded to the WebSocket so that everybody can build a real-time stop loss, target everything seamlessly without any painful effort. Right, so yeah, that's a test code. So at some point in time it ends. That's how it has been designed. So it runs for like some 100 iteration and then it stops. It unsubscribes the data and then disconnects the feed as well. So that's a test data by the way, but you can use it seamlessly in your trading strategies. So I guess that explains how the WebSocket works in OpenAlgo. So see you soon with yet another interesting video. Thank you. Bye bye.